I'm not Mr. Redhead, goodbye. Be lazy, don't do your room, blow raspberries, and sooner or later you'll have your own show too. Just don't tell anyone. Oh, well, I'm sorry, Mr. Greenhead, I don't know your diagnosis. 44 quarters of American lasagna. Delicious. I hate Mondays. Turkey for dinner. Delicious. Don't you know how much I hate cute? Sorry everyone, it looks like you might want to change the channel before you see this. Shut up, Mr. Greenhead, nobody needs you. Hey, give me that lasagna back! We're gonna send you, Mr. Greenhead, to Abu Dhabi and see how you like it. Dear person in general, give me your lasagna now. Oh, for goodness sake. Well, just go get yourself another room to sleep in and stop complaining. I really need this American cheese. Well, that's it for you. You need to get out of my house right this instant. Now goodbye.